want them, so I've decided to treat myself to my site. No, they're only 50 there. And then they refunded me, so I ended up getting them free.
What, anyone? Oh, I bet she would be. Yeah, I know.
Also, my next.
Hold out, come on.
Yeah.
I'm just really shocked when people go to prison. But there's what people filling in the prisons on
HS2. Got on those cranes.
yeah, shoplifting and stuff like that. Like, if we released all of that stuff,
God, it's still building it.
I feel like people that smoke weed, they shouldn't go to prison.
No,
But it's like the people that are violent offenders.
I hope so.
Selling it, or like selling it. But I think that's still a bit silly because it's not harming you.
Well, then, you know, obviously, thing you stepped down with what
Elizabeth Lyons.
he says he wants to.
You know, it's like less painful. Why's my accent so weird? Like, you start off really pronounced at the beginning of the towards the end of the day. Yeah, I just feel like I like to pronunciate myself. So it's pronounced. I feel like it's really easy. I really sound like a child. I don't think you sound like a child. I think we've pretty much got the same accent.
We're now approaching London Paddington.
If you notice, most people in deaf kind of don't have a Devonshire accent. Round here, we do many
I don't think I have all the parents sound like farmers.
If you see someone 016, we'll sort
keep your phone safe, gal.
Or is not my
On behalf of your
I'll try and have Kylie.
No, I can do it off the train. I know I can do it off the train. I've done it. I'll do that week that we're running. I do have to follow them. We just find it. We're ready with the bill. I don't think so. Everything late. Maybe it's 20 minutes away from he's at work. When did he move there?
How his girlfriend goes to some posh uni class stuff. He moves with us, works at a pub in Kensington. Big way to move.
I do like that.